Welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. With Christmas right around the corner, it's time to wrap our Christmas gifts. And in true creative mode, I wanted to share some beautiful, not basic ways to level up your Christmas wrapping game this holiday season with you all. So stay tuned for 8 creative ideas for fun and unique ways to create beautiful wrapped Christmas presents. Let's start with a simple craft paper base on all our presents. Here you also could use another simple designed wrapping paper. For our first design we need some twine or ribbon and a Christmas cookie cutter. I used a star here. Tie the ribbon through the cookie cutter and wrap around the present. Here you could also optionally add some pine twigs or other winter greenery. Next, we will use all our little DIY ornaments we made in our 24 Days of Creativity challenge so far and use them to decorate our presents. I will link all the short DIY tutorials needed for the different ornaments in the description down below. For myself, I must say I'm at the moment completely obsessed with the little wooden beads star we created. So definitely check these little DIYs out after watching this video, hopefully till the end. So you could also use some of our printing techniques from last week's Christmas cards video or the book page collage motifs. Just do them on top of your presents instead of the cards to make them look extra festive and cute. I will as well leave a link to last week's Christmas cards DIY video in the description down below. For idea number 6, you will need some ribbon and double-sided tape to glue down the ribbon. Create a glue street down the middle of your present and loop the ribbon from side to side, starting with small loops on top, getting broader on the bottom to create the shape of a Christmas tree. Our next little craft is just an idea to spice up your regular bow on the present with a paper bow made from old book pages. Or add the book paper bow to some washi tape. This turned out as a really cute present too. Your possibilities here are endless. The other years I also made some fun little collages on the front of the presents and nearly turned them into little art pieces themselves. Idea number 8 is another classic. Just take a paint marker, I used a metallic one here, and draw or write on the presents. I drew a little bow on this one, but I did see some absolutely beautiful calligraphy designs on some presents as well. I hope you enjoyed this little creative Christmas wrapping session and hopefully found some creative ideas to have fun with and level up your own wrapping game this Christmas. If you did, give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Until next week, happy crafting!